gonna be bright pink at work tonight. Hello. It's me again. It's been a long time, but I'm back. So what I'm doing today is a look from a Vine that everyone knows and loves. And I'll insert the Vine here. Okay, I think it's time to start on the eyes. Okay, let's get this stuff out of the way. So things I'll be featuring today. The NYX glitter primer, which is a mini. It's not actually this big or small, wait. And the NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Trio Stack. And also the Artistry palette. So going into Skip. Nope, just kidding. We come in peace. Okay, now going into the shade Skip. And also the shade above it. Not really sure what it's called, but. Basically a bubblegum pink. That's kind of cute by itself. Nice, and just a rounded shape. And then going only into Skip. And only like on the outer half of the eye. So right now I'm blending it by packing it. And now I'm gonna take my favorite brush of all time, an e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush. Make sure it doesn't have any product on it. Nope. Into the shade Skip. I'm gonna be bright pink at work tonight. I'm gonna put that bubblegum pink. It's not even bubblegum pink, I'm just dumb. It's like a light rosy pink on the inner corner. Anyway, whatever. Then with my eyeshadow C brush, I'm gonna knock off all the pigment, the extra pigment from Skip. But keep not like wash the brush or use a different one. Yeah, that'll keep it. And then take that bubblegum pink mixed with Skip. Take no extra product on that brush. By the way, the fluffy brush I've been using is the M505. Wow. It's crazy that I invented the color pink. It's pretty cool. Okay, it's time for the NYX glitter glue. Wait, what is this? Sorry, the glitter primer. Okay, I did not pick up a brush for this. Dang it. I'm gonna use my Luxie. Nope, that's too good of a brush. I'm gonna use my Profusion brush instead. And I'm leaning back so that I don't get the glitter everywhere, even though we all know it's gonna get everywhere, no matter what. Okay, sis, go off, mama. House down boots. Okay. Man, this looks good. It's kind of cool that I invented pink glitter, you know? I should have done the eyes before I did all the face. So now, I'm gonna go into this lipstick from Wet n Wild, which is Melted. It's a very beautiful Barbie pearlescent pink. See, I want to overline a lot, but I do not have the right pencil colors to be able to do that properly. Okay, so that's on. Let me try to find my little gloss. You know what? Let's just put some pink glitter on it. If there's pink glitter in this mascara for the rest of its life, I'll cry. Let me use I'm gonna use Bad Gal Bang. On the bottom lashes. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for watching this Vine transformation. Subscribe.